got stuck? Forward. There. Wow, forward, forward. Forward. Forward, son. There's a forward. Forward. Up. This one. This one. Whoa, there it is. Go. Whoa. Do you like it? Yeah? Go on, forward. Yeah.
Welcome to Boston Toys.
Bow, go.
Sawadika.
Don't move, don't move. One,
Sawadika.
don't move. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you use the xylophone now. You hear the xylophone. Yeah, even that one. Yeah. Can you show what you have in your hands? It's like a stick, hand stick. It has like fingers, right? Ooh.
Where's the other xylophone?
Is there another xylophone? Oh, you put it back here. Say thank you. Okay. So where's the other xylophone? Have you seen another one?
Where's the other brown xylophone?
I don't know.
You see the other one?
I don't know. Is there another one?
Where's the other?
Not there, son. Not there. Not there.
The green
The green
antlers?
antlers. Say antlers. So you have to. It's like a something that you would wear on your head. Okay, on your head. Put on your head. Put it on your head. Come on. Yeah, no, you have to put it on your head, son. Oh, you don't like the antlers. You just want the circles. Okay. So what do you want to do with that? Ooh.
Where's the white percent?
What the? What? Come on, you return it here. Come here. Guys, we are going to the cube, right? The cube is there. See the cube. We're gonna wait first. We are near the cube now, look. And he is mesmerized by all these nets, right?
Next.
Yeah, those are nets, look. Oh. Go on, let's go to the cube. Let us go to the cube. The cube is there. This is the first time din nato nga magkato sa cube. So mga higala ka na nga mag-andam ta kay para sa kwanta sa. Okay, let's go out. There it is. Look, there it is. Look, there it is. There's the cube. There's a cube.
one in the absolute.
Yeah, we have a lot of coins in the house. Okay? And that's all yours. Where?
Soy microphone. Is that like your mic?
Look at the camera. Here. We're holding hands. What? You don't like the vlog? Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, turn it off. You want to turn it off? Okay, I'll turn it off. So muna yung mong kuhan ka rin celebration sa Christmas na di akong mama. Hi mama.
No. Hi. Mo gani.
Okay, di naman kami katuad to sa balay. So siya na lang kita lang dito.
No. Ugo sa ganung galero eh. Amay wala.
Matibangin ni mama. Hi baby, what's that? Oh, Lola Arlene gave you a?
Time laliman ka ha.
Ah?
Off si Marcy.
Ah?
Ang matang Marcy.
Remote control car. It's a red car. Wow. We're gonna play that outside, okay?
Nakatulog ko wala na.
Go. Hit that stop. Forward. There. Wow, forward, forward. Forward. Forward, son. Forward. Forward. Up. This one. Oh, there it is. Oh. You like it? Huh? Come on, forward. Yeah. Kami diri guys, nakuha kami diri. Hi! Oh, there it is.